Don't too high. No, Daddy, no. You go too high, you stay on the ground.
Pop thought it was playtime. Kitty thought it was warning time.
You don't want that? You see? Did you just try to kill Kevin?
Hopefully the husky remembered he wasn't filming a horror movie. Optional when licking releases feel-good hormones. Tiny dogs assert themselves by claiming space.
Oh my god.
When Odin had calculated all the plans but forgot the nerve he was maintaining.
I'll drop that mother.
Puppy Lodge.
Y no podré dormir si anda suelto en la casa.
No andas suelta en la casa todo el tiempo. Yo duermo perfecto. ¿Y tú qué?
You can tell he's really giving that nap his all. I mean, who needs proper posture when you've got ultimate comfort?
I think I offended her.
They're so cute.
As fashion-loving dogs, they don't allow themselves to appear normal.
Oh dear.
Fact, dogs don't calculate strength like humans do. They act on loyalty and purpose first.
Now and watch shopping past.
Enoki. Enoki. Ambil ya.
Nungguin apa, nak? Ay, sayangku.
When your puppy's too used to independence and be like, when the mini bed is this mini buddy's charging station.
You good?
Robert better not get in my face.
No. Are you done? No. No.
Are you so?
Oh. Yee. Come on, don't fall off.
Tiny predator energy, zero impact damage.
No.
We're not sure if it's Doggy's guest or Human's guest.
good.
Robert better not get in my face.
Les presento a Leia y Ramón. ¿Qué tal? Hola, hola.
Herding software.
Antes que dijo que se metiera ahí.
Same black and white theme, different operating system. Puppies thought it was a fur. It's never about the toy, it's about pride. This battle will decide who's the boss.
Need ranch on it. Here.
The dog's parents probably spend a lot of money on learn confidence. What's your biggest injustice? For him, it must have been this rejection. World.
Sadie, high five. No.
Sleepiness has invaded Doggo's brain, but he's still determined to protect his ball. Please clap for these dogs' efforts to help their introverted friend get out of the house. See, this human here is mine.
Need ranch on it. Here.
The dog's parents probably spend a lot of money on. Get ready for a few minutes of pure chaos, zero logic, and maximum puppy energy. Water gun while the dog is clueless as to why it's getting wet.
Oh my gosh.
When Odin had calculated all the plans but forgot the nerve he was maintaining.
Sit down. Oh my god. Spin. Roll over. Oh my god.
Maybe the puppies realize that they're always trapped in places that are considered comfortable. The Golden's ancestors must have been very proud of him.
Y no podré dormir si está suelto en la casa.
Tú andas suelta en la casa todo el tiempo. Yo duermo perfecto. ¿Y tú qué haces?
I think I offended her.
As fashion-loving dogs, they don't allow themselves to appear normal. It's never about the toy, it's about pride. This battle will decide who's the boss.
You can't ask pizza. No. No pizza. No pizza.
Adorable. Hi, darling. Hi.
Looks like that pup just got a VIP. If Elsa can freeze things instantly, this boy can make snow instantly.
Now and watch shopping past.
Hey, Ben. Hey, Ben.
Stop it! Stop! Stop it!
When the grass is definitely greener on the other side, and you're determined to get there. Small dog desire to test dominance, and seniors protect their peace. I'm ready to meet him. Small dog desire to test dominance, and seniors protect their peace. Even though admiring respect for seniors, not in a puppy's dictionary when it's
Yee. Come on, don't fall off.
without any vocal training. This doggie's vocals can compare with Whitney Houston's. Poppy.exe encountered unexpected identity crisis.
Are you sitting on the table watching outside? That is hilarious. Oh my god.
That's the face of pure concentration or pure comfort. Either way, this doggo's owning the home office life. The two, that's what I call double trouble. Where?
Oi, Chola. Good boy, Rich.
Poppy.exe encountered unexpected identity crisis.
Let's go find the culprit. Where's your sister at? Where's your sister? Maggie. Maggie. Let's go find her.
Oh, George.
That's going a bit far.
Promise you this. I'll always look out for you. That's what I'll do.
Just always in his own world.
Find that suspicious? You don't find that suspicious? You don't find that suspicious?
Oh, Mimi gets to hug.
See, this human here is mine. Bored with his white fur, but poor to go to the spa to get his fur dyed.
Marky? Oh yeah, do the whole lot.
If Elsa can freeze things instantly, this boy can make snow instantly. You can tell he's really giving that nap his all. I mean, who needs proper posture when you've got ultimate comfort?
Andiamo. Non lasci stare. Prego. Salù.
If you wonder how loyal dogs can be, here's your...
Come on.
Tenemos que devolverlo.
Está loquito porque ya tiene sueño.
With Mango's bestie, opportunity comes to those who seek it first.
Kevin McAllister. How's that crockpot chicken treating you? Kevin?
That's the face of pure concentration or pure comfort. Either way, this doggo's owning the home office life. He may be small, but sitting on the big dog makes him feel huge. If that cow sneezes, the puppy's going to achieve flight mode instantly.
Only time his bitch ass want to listen. Why the hell you look so damn happy? This what you want? Oh.
Oh, George! Oh my God! Andiamo. Non lasci stare. Prego. Bello.
Note cards. It's not to its tone. Yeah. Oh, that was really.
Tenemos que devolverlo.
Está loquito porque ya tiene sueño.
No. Are you done? No. No.
I'm sorry.
Small dogs provoke older dogs to understand hierarchy. Sometimes chaos is the curriculum.
Did you do this? Did you do this? Did you make a mess?
Doggy must have thought Bestie was being thought.
Brody. Goat. Brody. Almost the back. Nope. Nope. Brody. Oh, come on. Come on. Thôi xong rồi.
Tiny predator energy, zero impact damage.
No.
Puppy, cute to humans, apex threat to the...
Hey, Ben. Hey, Ben.
world.
Katie, high five. No.
No, you do not bite.
Studying with my 14-year-old and coming.
The gentlest I give up in puppy history.
I'll drop that mother.
Puppy Lodge. A foot mat.
I love to get in sparkly dresses.
I'm sorry.
Fact: dogs don't calculate strength like humans do. They act on loyalty and purpose first. What's your biggest injustice? For him, it must have been this rejection.
Don't too high. No, Daddy, no. You go too high, you stay. Oh my
Bro. Bro. No way. Isaac, they left you out.
Young puppies get tired quickly, and sometimes they just shut down mid-adventure. Sleepiness had invaded Doggo's brain, but he's still determined to protect his ball.
Vinny, I can see you. I can still see.
It wouldn't count if Viola didn't see anything.
Vinny, you have to get out of the...
What is that? What do you have over there?
Pop thought it was playtime. Kitty thought it was warning time.
I can see you, honey. I can...
Isn't ready to meet him. Doggo said nothing, but his tongue said everything. Share, share, share.
You see? Did you just try to kill Kevin?
when your puppy's too used to independence and be like, small in size, huge in attitude. Meet the puppies who think they run the world. Life's better when it's slightly chaotic and covered in fur. Thanks so much. Puppy, cute to humans, apex threat to the... Without any vocal training, this doggy's vocals can compare with Whitney Houston's. Bro really said, if I'm going down, Mr. Teddy's coming with me.
Parkour!
Come on! It's trying so hard.
Oh, what do you got? Go on, boom.
Oh, that hurt Mama Dog. You okay, Mama Dog?
Megan, what's getting you? What is going? Oh, you got away. Oh, the puppy getting you again.
What's the deal? So you guys fracturing?
Don't worry, Mama. My nose is stuffy today.
¿Eh? Mira. ¿Por qué?
Fact, size doesn't decide ownership. Persistence and attitude do.